In this video I will show you how to work with the graphs of a measuring point. Assuming that you already have created a measuring point by watching one of our other tutorials, I will head over straight to the View Data button on my measuring point overview page of my swarm. When I do so, I will jump straight into the graph, and to get a little bit of data in view, I will go to the, let's say, our view and to now, and I should be able to see some data of my swarm. I will zoom in a bit more, and to start explaining a few things, I've just a minute ago changed my configuration, and that is visible in the graph as well. As soon as I change my configuration, the measurement will be stopped, which is shown in the graph, and the measurement stop cause is new configuration. After it is done downloading the configuration, depending on what the configuration contains, it might take a little bit of time for the swarm to restart using the new settings, and it will re-execute its auto leveling. As soon as it's back online, it will also show in the graph, and it will also show me if that auto leveling, or in this case angle rotation, was successful. And then soon after, the first data starts coming in. I enabled a lot of options. In my case, I enabled the peak particle velocity, which are the red, green and blue lines, and I also enabled the peak vector sum, which is also shown. This is a velocity graph against the time, but if I scroll down on this page, there's also the frequency plot. I can change this level a bit, and on my desk there is not much data, or at least not much velocity. On my desk is pretty steady, so these exceedances are not so high. I can zoom a bit more to get a better idea. I have fairly low frequencies, so this graph is in sync with the graph above. So if I zoom here, let's say zoom out a little bit, I will also get the same data that I see on top in the bottom graph. This graph can be shown in different settings. So there's a bar graph. Maybe I will move this a little bit back down to get a better view. There's a line graph. There's a more rectangular line graph. There's even a dot graph. So whatever you want, you can see. Also, it's possible to disable certain axes to get a better view of the data. It's very easy to zoom to the now and to view new data. Normally the graph automatically reloads on every time data comes in. As you can see, every 5 seconds or so it says loading, and it will collect some new data. It is possible to go to different views. For instance, I also enabled peak particle acceleration. This can be shown here. I didn't enable the effective velocity or KBF value in terms of the DIN standard, but I did enable the vibration dose values. They are pretty low though on my desk, and also they only come in every 30 seconds at the moment. So I just zoom a little, and well, we still get some data in view. Let me go back to the peak particle velocity. Data is still coming in. On this page, it is also possible to export the data. There's 3 different options. There's PDF reports, comma separated value, and Excel files. They're useful to be able to either post-process the data into your own reports or directly send these reports to your clients. Thank you for watching this video. Check out our tutorial on the website for more videos.